How to add voiceover to video in Capcut. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to add voiceover to video in Capcut. First thing, go ahead and make sure that you're connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, go ahead and log into your Capcut account. When you're logged into your account, then you could go ahead and locate the project for which you wish to go ahead and add a voiceover. So tap the edit button and you could go ahead and press on new project and select the project for which you wish to go ahead and add a voiceover. Now click on add, and next page is going to take you to this field. Here you could go ahead and tap on the feature that says audio. When you do that, you'll be able to see this option as record, so just go ahead and press on it. In order to start recording a voiceover, just go ahead and hold on to the microphone icon located right over here. Make sure to enable all of these permission and all that. In my case, I'm screen recording currently, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and tap on while using the app, and then you could go ahead and start recording. Now you could go ahead and press on it, and then you'll have successfully recorded the voiceover to the video in Capcut, and you could go ahead and edit all of the excess part and all that. That's how you can add voiceover to video in Capcut. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.